let's start the today's session. So in the last class we have taken one example. The example was like curtain. So how many different words we can form using the letters of the word curtain, and we have seen some of the conditions, like start with vowel, end with consonant, middle term should be anything R, T, F, okay, and so on and so forth. So today we will be looking at the most important part, which is always together, never together, and some special permutation cases. Okay, so the condition is like how many letters you can form such that vowels are always together. First condition question, vowels always together, vowels always together means you have to count only those words in which the vowels are together. For example, I can take a word like this. So vowels are, how many vowels we have here? U,
Three.
A and I are
Three.
the vowels, and the remaining 4 are the consonant. Means in these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wherever you go, you should have U, A, I together. It is not compulsory that it should be in the same order. Are you getting this point? Means what? You should have U, A, I always together wherever you go. Maybe you are having UAI here, these three here, or you are having UAI here, or you are having UAI here, or you are having UAI here, UAI. कहाँ पे भी जाओ आपको UAI है साथ में चाहिए. Compulsory not in this order only. You may have AIU, you may have IAU, whatever may be, but the condition is what? The vowel should always together. Are you getting this point? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what we will do is we will make always together means what? We will form a group. So I will write here a note. Whenever they have asked for the always together case, then what? We have to form a group. Form a group. See how our life becomes very simple. Curtain, curtain में उनको चाहिए vowels together, so form a group of vowel. So CURTAIN, curtain, and in this vowel are UAI and the remaining are 4. Okay, ये 3 और ये 4. So what we will do, we will form vowels together. बोला है तो vowels का एक group बना दो. How many vowels we have? 3 vowels we have, UAI. So we have formed a group. Now how many remaining total in the curtain? अगर ये 3
Four.
चले गए तो how many remaining? We have total 4 letters are remaining. Now what we will do, we will consider this group as a single entity, single object. Now tell me how many total objects you have here? 4 plus 1, 5, because
Five.
this group I am treating as a single object. So 4 objects and this one, so total 5 objects I am having now. Now these 5 objects can be permitted in how many ways? So you want to arrange all of these 4, all of these 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 objects can be permitted in 5 factorial ways. Is this okay?
Yes.
Means
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what you get here is that suppose you have written like this, C T N, and one more thing we missed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
R, sir.
R is we have missed, yes. So this is what we have, one remaining. Okay, so ये remaining में कौन जाएगा? ये भाई सब जाएंगे, UAI वाले भाई सब जाएंगे. Now see here, wherever you go, this UAI will be what? They are always going to be together. Are you getting the point? Now see, these 5 different objects can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, but ये 3 लोग आपस में भी permit हो सकते हैं. So those 3 can be permitted in how many ways? It's in the 3 ways, 3 factorial ways. See, in the last class we have seen, note that if n number of objects are there, and if you are arranging all of them, 3 आहेत, तिघांनाही पूर्ण 3 है, तीनों के तीनों को आपको अरेंज करना है तो 3 फैक्टोरियल आएगा. अगर आपके पास 15 लोग हैं, 15 के 15 लोगों को अरेंज करना है, देन योर आंसर विल बी 15 फैक्टोरियल. इफ यू हैव 27 different objects and if you want to arrange all of them, then your answer will be 27 factorial only. So if you have 3, you are arranging all of them, so my answer will be 3 factorial. So what is my total answer is? So total answer is what? It's a 3 factorial into 5 factorial. Is this okay? Means what? 3 factorial is how much? Yes, please tell me. What is 3 factorial? 6. What is 5 factorial? 120. So 1272. So 720. What is this 720 indicating?
6 factorial.
It is 6 factorial. But what is this 720 is?
The number of arrangement.
In which? Yes, very good. Number of arrangement in which?
No, the vowels are together. Always
Exactly.
together.
So if you permit all of the conditions, if you see all the words in which 720 are the words in which the vowels are always together. See the power of mathematics. Without knowing all the words, we are just counting the numbers. We are just counting the available letters with words with us. Okay, the same question we will frame like this. Form the, okay, how many different words, how many words can be formed such that consonants are always together. Consonants are always together. Always together दिखा रे दिखा. क्या करना है आपको? ग्रुप फॉर्म करना है. इफ यू सी द always together, form a group. किसका ग्रुप फॉर्म करोगे अभी? We will form a group of consonants. How many consonants we have seen? 4 consonants. So we have 4 consonants. So I will write like 4 consonants. How many remaining? 3 vowels are remaining. So total distinct objects, how many distinct objects I am looking at? This 3 distinct, 3 and this one is the 4. Means what? I am now looking at 4 distinct objects. So those objects can be permitted in 4 factorial ways. But again, these 4 consonants can be permitted in 4 factorial ways. So what is my answer is? It's 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Are you getting this point? Understand, it's very important to get the concept. Okay, we are not using a single formula, NPR 9, NCR 9 kuch nahi, just concept. Okay, let's see. Sir, yes
sir, if the letter is repeated,
we will see that, boss. We will see. We are under the tree.
sir, एक बार explain करें.
Which one?
ये नीचे वाला.
ये वाला. Okay, देखो. So how many consonants we have total? C आहे, R आहे, T आहे and N आहे. So these are the consonants we have. So what we have
Sir,
done? We have, yes.
सर दुसरा वर्ड घेता का एखादा म्हणजे वेगळा?
Yes, we will take. What's your name?
श्रवण.
Shravana. Excellent. Unfortunately, we have all the distinct objects here. Okay, so Shravan is there. So how many vowels we have here?
म्हणजे स्पेलिंग रॉंग आहे
हाँ,
पण
ठीक आहे.
चालेल.
विल चालेल. ठीक आहे. हे आता एक्झाम्पलसाठी चालून घ्या. सो व्हॉट वी आर हॅव्हिंग हिअर इज SHRVAN Shravan. How many different words we can form using the letters of the word given word Shravan such a way that SVA always together. Such a way that SVA should be always together. Okay, so in that case what we will do, always together मतलब क्या है? We have to form a group. So किसका ग्रुप बनाओगे अभी? I will form a group of SVA. इसका ग्रुप बनाऊंगा मैं. बाकी कितने बच गए अभी? 1 2 3 4 5 6 लोग थे यहाँ पे. 6 में से तीनों को उठाया तो बाकी रह गए 3. Now tell me how many distinct objects we are having? ये 3 लोग and this group 1 I am considering as in one single entity. So this 3 plus 1 is 4. So those 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now this SVA can also be permitted in between them. That can be arranged in how many ways? It's 3 factorial. So what is my answer is? It's 3 factorial into 4 factorial. In a family, let's take another example. In a family, suppose there are 3 brothers and 4 sisters. Okay, and of course एक father है and एक mother है, बहुत बड़ा family है. We will consider this as an example. Now in how many ways you can arrange them such that mother and father are always together? In how many ways we can arrange them such that the mother and father are always together? Okay, see here, total how many people we have? 3 and 4 7 8 9 9 लोग है टोटल अपने पास. 9 में से मुझे इन दोनों को साथ में रखना है हमेशा. ओके, तो मदर एंड फादर का एक ग्रुप बन गया यहाँ पे. इन दोनों को ऑलवेज टुगेदर बोला है तो वी फॉर्म्ड अ ग्रुप. सो मदर एंड फादर का एक ग्रुप हो गया. 9 में से 2 लोग चले गए, बाकी कितने अभी? 7 लोग हैं.
7.
Now I will see the total 8 distinct objects here.
Yes.
So 8 distinct objects can be permitted in how many ways? 8 factorial ways. But in mom and dad can also be permitted in how many ways? 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
What is my answer is 2 factorial into 8 factorial. Example number 1. Tell me example number 2. Shravan, you tell me now. In how many ways you can arrange them such that 4 sisters always together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone please solve this question. 4 sisters always together.
Sir, 5 factorial into 4 factorial.
4 factorial into
4 factorial into 5
factorial. 4 factorial into 5 factorial.
Exactly. Very good. So 4 sisters always together मतलब चारों का एक ग्रुप बना दो. बाकी कितने लोग बच गए? 5 लोग बच गए. Total how many distinct objects we have? 6.
6 factorial.
टोटल 9 लोग हैं जहाँ पे टोटल 9 लोग हैं ना. 3 4 5 बरोबर है ना यार? Is this okay everyone?
Yes, sir.
So 5 और 6. So this is what 6 factorial. These 4 sisters can be permitted in 4 factorial. So my answer is what is 4 factorial into 6 factorial is what my answer is. If I ask you the third question like this, 2 particular sisters want to sit together. 2 particular sisters want to sit together. How many arrangements are possible then? 2 particular sisters. अभी ये जो particular word होता है ना, that word is exactly
2 factorial
into
8 factorial.
factorial into 8 factorial.
2
into 8 factorial.
2 factorial into 8 factorial.
Yes, you all are correct. Yes, you all are correct. You all are correct. So ये जो particular word होता है ना, so 2 particular always together जो बोलता है ना, ये particular जो होता है ना, that we have to fix. ऐसा नहीं कि एग्जामिनर देने वाला है, नहीं. ये 2 particular means what? वो हमको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. आइदर यू टेक S1 S2 S2 S3 S3 S4 S4 S5. नो, ये हमको डिसाइड करना है. एंड वो जो आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो दैट इज़ द पर्टिकुलर. दैट्स इट. अभी 4 लोग हैं, 4 में से मुझे 2 पर्टिकुलर लोगों को, सिस्टर्स को मुझे एक साथ बिठाना है. सो आई विल फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ दोज 2 गर्ल्स, दोज 2 सिस्टर्स. सो अगर ये 2 चले गए तो रिमेनिंग हाउ मेनी? 7. So this total I can see now 8 different objects can be arranged in 8 factorial ways, and these 2 sisters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So my answer is what? 2 into 8.
Yes,
Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, yes, sir.
remember,
Yes, sir.
always together means what? We have to form a group. Excellent. Very good. Now moving to the next concept, which is never together. Never together. Okay, we will take a same example. We will have curtain. CURTAIN. अभी आप बोलेंगे सर इतना क्या कर्टन में है. एक्चुअली आई एम सिटिंग इन द रूम एंड दिस कर्टन इज़ हेल्पिंग मी अ लॉट. ओके, ये बहुत सारा उजेड़ आ रहा है मेरे रूम में, तो मैं कर्टन डाल दिया. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर डिस्टिंक्ट हियर, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस एग्जांपल. कर्टन. ओके, सो कर्टन में मुझे क्या करना है? आई हैव टू count such a words in which vowels are never together. Vowels never together. Vowels never together. Just understand what do you mean by never together. I cannot have a word like this, a u a CRTIN. No, I cannot have this word in which I can see that two vowels are together. Even I cannot have this word also, CRTN. Even if I cannot have this word, because in which I have still having the vowels together. Vowels are never together means what? There should be at least one consonant in between two vowels.
I can
Okay, like this, C R
U.
T N. इनके बीच में I should have at least one. We'll take उल्टा, मतलब you have U A and suppose I. You should have at least one alphabet in between these two, which will make a separation of these two vowels, like this R T N. So this word is perfectly fine for me. UCARTNI, with meaning or without meaning, of course. So here if you see, U, A and I are separated, means what? It is satisfying the condition that never together. Are you understanding the point? Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
never together means what? Again you take a note. Note that never together means what? We will go for an alternate arrangement. We will go for alternate arrangement. Alternate arrangement मतलब क्या है? अभी vowels never together बोला है, तो what we will do? I will have consonant vowel, consonant vowel, consonant vowel, consonant. Now see here, ये vowel है, ये vowel and ये also vowel है. Are these three vowels are together? No. There is at least one consonant is in between them. Okay. Now let's see how to solve these type of questions. We will keep the same example. So we have curtain and vowels are UAI. These are the three vowels. Vowels never together means what? उसका opposite में कौन है? Consonant है. So first you place all the consonants. Vowels never together मतलब उसका opposite is consonant. So first place the consonants. So how many consonants we have here? 4 consonants we have. These 4 consonants can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
see
sir.
here. So those 4 places I will draw now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 places can be occupied by the 4 consonants in 4 factorial ways. Okay. Now see, in between these consonants, how many vacant places I am having? Now see here. I can place the vowel here. I can place vowel here. I can place vowel here. I can also place vowel here and I can also place vowel here. Now tell me, is any of the vowel are together if I have this type of arrangement?
no.
No, sir.
No,
Of
sir.
course not. Means क्या सर, ये सब रेड जो एरोज है वो सब अलग अलग है, क्योंकि उन दोनों के बीच में एटलीस्ट वन कॉन्सोनेंट इज देयर. So now what I will do, if you see, if I first select U, now tell me how many options are there for U?
5.
1,
Five.
2. You can go here or here or here or here or here. Means U के लिए 5 options है. How many options A is having?
4.
Any one of the place is occupied by U. Suppose U has occupied this place. Now A is having 4 options. Suppose A has occupied this place. I के लिए कितने options है अभी? 3 options.
3.
So the I, let's suppose the I is here. I is here. See, this type of word I am getting now. Okay, so what you will do with these numbers? So I will multiply these 5, because you are placing U and A and I. So that's why 4 into 5 into 3 into these 4 factorial. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understand the concept. Don't just mug up the formulas. We are not using single formula. Formula आ गया, जिंदगी झंड हो जाएगी अपनी. ठीक है, वो फॉर्मूला कैसा होता है? एक टाइप के क्वेश्चन को एक फार्मूला, दूसरा टाइप के क्वेश्चन को दूसरा फार्मूला. कितना फार्मूला याद करोगे आप? इट इज़ अ मेमोरी बॉस. इट इज़ नॉट, सॉरी, इट इज़ अ माइंड. ओके, द माइंड इज़ फॉर आवर थिंकिंग पर्पस. ये इसको रट्टा नहीं मारना है. रट्टा मार के मेमोरी मत बनाओ उसको. रट्टा मारना ये तो देर आर सो मेनी formulas are there in the trigonometry, differentiation, limit, continuity, definite, indefinite integration, so many formulas are there is no other way, you have to remember those relations. Okay, single angle, double angle, triple angle, काय असतं भरपूर असतं. Okay, good. So I hope this is okay to all.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we will see another question. The question is like this. Suppose there are 10 boys and 3 girls. Suppose there are 10 boys and 3 girls in a class, and they want to have a photograph. So in how many ways you can arrange them such that girls are never together? अभी girls are never together means go for the alternate arrangement. Never together means what? Alternate arrangement, and we go with the first. I will place all the boys. Girls never together बोला है तो पहले boys को shift कर दो, boys को बिठा दो. So boys, 10 boys are there and I want to arrange all of them. So you can do in how many ways? 10 factorial ways.
10 factorial.
So let's see, B1, B1, B2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boys आ गए यहाँ पे. So these 10 boys can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. ये आ गया आपका आंसर. अब ये 3 गर्ल्स के लिए कहाँ पे जगह है? यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे, बीच में. Yes.
11.
Very good. That is the only thing I wanted to explain is because of these 10 boys, the girls are getting 11 vacant positions. If suppose you have 20 boys, how many vacant positions you will get?
21.
मतलब एक ज़्यादा मिलेगा, क्योंकि देखो ना यहाँ पे 1 2 3, अगर 2 बच्चे 2 लड़के, okay, we will have, अगर 2 boys are there, so how many girls can be seated? 1 2 3, 3 girls can be seated. अभी चौथी बैठेगी तो यहाँ पे आएगी, then see here 2 girls are together. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए सर. क्या चाहिए हमको? गर्ल्स नेवर टुगेदर चाहिए. Okay, good. So remember, the vacant positions are always 1 plus the number of opposite entity. Okay, now tell me the first girl, when the first girl comes, how many options she is looking at?
11.
11. Second girl, 10.
10.
Third girl,
9.
9.
so this is what my answer is. 10 into 11 into 9 into 10 factorial.
10 factorial.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Now without solving the, try without putting the pen on the paper, try. Okay, so the same example we will take, that 3 boys 4 sisters, sorry, 3 brothers 4 sisters and 2 parents we will take, 2 parents. So in how many ways you can arrange them such that sisters never together, together.
6 into 5 into 4 into 5 factorial.
6 into 5 into 6 into 5 into 4.
काय इंटू पिंटू म्हणले, एकेकाने बोला,
Into 5.
एक बोलो. नाम बताओ और बात करो.
6 into 5 into 4.
नाम बताओ. Gaurav, please tell me your answer.
Sir, 6 into 5 into 4 into
6
5.
5 4 into 5 factorial. Okay,
No, sir, 4 factorial.
okay, 4 factorial. Okay, next student please.
Sir,
Name please, name.
Rahul sir.
Rahul, बोल भाई.
6 into 5 into 4 into 5 factorial.
Into 5 factorial. Please tell your answer if your answer is different from these. Yes, next.
6 into
Now
Saurabh.
बोला.
6 into 5 into 4 into 5 factorial.
अरे बाळा, वेगळं असेल तरच सांगायचं, नाहीतर नका सांगू. Yes, next. Okay, so we have confusion between these two. Okay, now see here, you want to have these never together. If never together, sisters never together means पहले क्या करना है आपको? Opposite entity को सबको बिठाना है. So opposite में कौन है? Non girls कौन है? 3 brothers and 2 parents. So कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे? 5 लोग हैं. So those 5 person can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Because of these 5 people, we have created 6 vacant places.
Yes, sir.
6 vacant places, and you want to arrange these 4 sisters तो पहली सिस्टर के लिए कितने वैकेंट प्लेसेस है? 6.
6.
दूसरी के लिए 5.
5.
तीसरी के लिए
4
चौथी के लिए
3.
3
तुम लोग क्यों भाई 3 लोगों को ही बिठाया आपने यहाँ पे? वाई? So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is what your answer will be into 500. Are you getting the point? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
okay?
yes sir.
Why you have taken only these 3 options? Tell me now. Gaurav.
सर वो गड़बड़ हो गया.
गड़बड़ हो गया. Okay. राहुल. नहीं.
Sir, I by mistake took the boys.
By mistake you took the boys. अबे गर्ल्स को उठाना तो बॉयज को उठा लिया आपने. क्या यार. हाँ.
सर
Yes. Next. हाँ बोलो.
सर नहीं समझा सर एग्जांपल.
हाँ नहीं समझा. ओके आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस. ओके गुड. यू शुड प्रैक्टिस लाइक दिस. ओके अभी ये प्रैक्टिस आ जाएगा व्हेन यू सॉल्व द डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हेन यू ट्राई सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट दिस. देखो भाई व्हाट्स योर नेम? जिसको समझ में नहीं आया. पार्थ. ओके पार्थ देखो भाई यहाँ पे. सो द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दैट 4 sisters never together. 4 sisters never together means what? We want to have at least one person in between 2 sisters. So पहले नॉन सिस्टर्स को पहले प्लेस कर दो. नॉन सिस्टर्स, हाउ मेनी नॉन सिस्टर्स आर देयर? 3 boys, 3 brothers and 2 parents. मतलब 5 लोग हैं. 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 people can be arranged in these 5 in a 5 factorial ways. Is this okay, Parth?
यस सर.
Because of these 5 people, you have created 6 vacant places for the 4 girls. Do you agree?
यस.
Okay. पहली अगर सिस्टर आ गई उसकी, पहली सिस्टर को कितने ऑप्शन है? 6 ऑप्शन है.
6.
दूसरी सिस्टर को कितने ऑप्शन है?
5.
5. तीसरी को 4. चौथी को 3. हो गया ना? So it's a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Is this okay, Parth?
यस सर.
Good. Next. Never together हो गया. Always together हो गया. So we have one different type of question. Okay. What it is saying that? Next. In how many ways? In how many ways 4 letters can be 4 letters can be posted in 5 letter boxes. ये letter box है. 5 letter boxes. If condition is if any number of letter posted in a box. So ये letter box का question है. It is a very famous letter box question. Okay, if you have if you appear for any competitive examination, you will see one type of question which is like this: letter box question, a ring question. Different questions we can have for this. Understand the concept. In how many ways 4 letters can be posted in 5 letter boxes if any number of letters can be posted in a box. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे letter box B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So there are 5 boxes you have and you have 4 letters L1, L2, L3 and L4. Okay, 4 letters है अपने पास एंड ये 4 लेटर्स हमको कुरियर करने हैं अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को. ओके, सपोज ये पार्थ है एंड पार्थ के 4 गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं एंड चारों गर्लफ्रेंड्स को उसको कुरियर करना है. अभी ये L1 आप किस में डालोगे? L1 कैन गो हियर B1 और B2 और B3 और B4 और B5. What they have mentioned is if any number of letters can be posted in a box. मतलब ये चारों के चारों आप उठा के B1 में डाल सकते हो, ये चारों के चारों उठा के आप B3 में डाल सकते हो. मीन्स इन दैट केस B1, B2, B4, B5 मे नॉट रिसीव एनी लेटर. मतलब यहाँ पे 0 0 0 हो गया. नाउ टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर फॉर द लेटर L1. Tell me. L1 can be posted in B1.
5.
It can be posted in B2, B3, B4 और B5. So यहाँ पे कितने ऑप्शन है? L1 के लिए
500.
5 लेटर्स है, 5 डिफरेंट बॉक्सेस में जा सकता है ये. Similarly, L2 can also go in the 5
Four.
different boxes. No, 5. Because of this, L2 can also go in the 5 different boxes. Because उन्होंने बोला है, कंडीशन नहीं दिया है. They have not given a condition कि भाई इसमें एक ही, हर एक में एक एक ही डालना है, ऐसा नहीं है कंडीशन. वी विल सी दैट केस ऑल्सो. नाउ L2 के लिए कितने ऑप्शंस है? फिर से 5 ऑप्शंस हो गए.
5.
L3 के लिए कितने ऑप्शंस है?
5.
5.
Five.
L4 के लिए कितने ऑप्शन है? 5.
5.
Now you want to post all the letters L1 and L2 and L3 and L4. So what you will do with these numbers? I will multiply them. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 5 raised to 4. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yes.
ये था द क्वेश्चन वेयर एनी नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स कैन बी पोस्टेड इन अ बॉक्स. इफ सपोज आई आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस, a letter can get only one letter, a box can receive only one letter, so what will be your answer?
5 factor.
5 into 4 into
Exactly,
3 into
very good, perfect. 5 factorial will be the my answer. So यहाँ पे 5 ऑप्शन है इसको,
Yes.
यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे. हाँ बोलो.
सर कैन यू रिपीट अगेन? मेरा वो अभी नेटवर्क चला गया था सर.
हाँ नेटवर्क चला गया. तो अभी देखो आप, तो हम क्या बोल रहे थे आपको कि ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया आपको? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
नहीं सर ये देखा ही नहीं मैंने.
कुणाल नहीं देगा. कुणाल ही ना आप? व्हाट्स योर नेम?
नहीं सर विपुल.
विपुल. हाँ विपुल
विपुल, sir.
झंडे. हाँ देखो भाई विपुल, लेटर L1 can be posted in B1, B2, any of these 5 boxes. So L1 is having 5 different options. Is it okay? Vipul,
यस सर.
L2 can also have the 5 different
यस
options.
सर यस सर.
L3 को 5 है, L4 के लिए भी 5 है. So my answer is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 raised to 4. If suppose I have 10 letter boxes, so what will be your answer?
5 raised to 10.
5:10.
अरे देखो देखो अच्छे
नहीं
से.
10
सर.
raised to 4.
10 raised to 4.
4:10.
10 raised to.
यस सर.
10 raised to 4
10
हो
raised
गया
to
फिर. Because here this L1 will get, अभी because of this 10 boxes, L1 will get 10 options, L2 will get 10, L3 will get 10, L4 will get 10. So it becomes 10 raised to power 4. Is this okay?
यस सर.
So you can get like a trick.
Sir?
हाँ बोलो.
कैन यू टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल?
Yes, yes. If you see one more example, अभी विपुल झंडे की अभी एंगेजमेंट तय हो गई है, ऐसा हम लोग कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके. सो अभी विपुल, सपोज दिस इज विपुल्स हैंड. आई विल ट्राई टू गड़बड़ हो गया. ठीक है, एज्यूम इट इज करेक्ट. ओके वेरी गुड. ठीक है. तो अभी you have 5 fingers and suppose there are 2 rings are there. 2 rings are there. 2 rings. Now your fiancé want to give these rings to you. So in how many ways she can give these rings, or how many ways she can insert these rings in your finger?
5.
5.
5.
both the rings we are talking. So पहले रिंग के लिए कितने ऑप्शंस है? रिंग 1 एंड रिंग 2. पहले रिंग के लिए
5.
कितने ऑप्शंस है? 5.
5.
दूसरे रिंग के
5.
लिए कितने ऑप्शंस है?
5
फिर से
से
5.
5.
5.
So what is your total option is you are getting?
सर 4.
10.
नहीं ना, कंडीशन
सर
क्या है?
4 क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
हम वही बोल रहा हूँ. कंडीशन क्या दिया है कि इफ एनी नंबर ऑफ रिंग्स कैन गो इन एनी नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स.
5:2.
5 square.
विपुल समझ में आ रहा
5
है?
square.
यस
ऐसा
सर.
क्वेश्चन नहीं दिया है कि एक फिंगर में एक ही रिंग चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि एनी नंबर ऑफ रिंग्स कैन गो इन एनी नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स.
ओके सर. ओके.
ओके. सो इसका 5 और इसका 5 दोनों रिंग चाहिए आपको, तो आगे आपको 5 raised to 2 इज व्हाट योर आंसर इज.
यस सर.
Perfect. So just remember that whenever you get these type of questions, letterbox cell, ring cell, on any number of objects agar aaya, then your answer will be in this fashion only. So you can have like the trick is the fix raised to power movable. Fix raised to power movable. In this case here, your rings are moving now. Your rings are moving. Fix कौन है? 5 fingers are fixed. So what my answer is? 5 is fixed. And movable, how many movables are there? Movables are 2. So again, if you come here in this example, fix raised to power movable, FM, fix raised to power movable. So how many fix? अभी बॉक्स आप मूव कर दो क्या? बॉक्स मूव करते क्या हम लोग? नहीं, we move the letters. We take the letters towards the box. So movable are how many? 4 are movable. Fix कितने हैं अपने पास? 5 fix है. 5 boxes are fixed and movable कितने? 4 letters movable. If I give 40 letters, so what will be your answer? With the same boxes.
Sir,
5 raised to 40.
5 raised to 40 will be my
40.
answer. Excellent. बरोबर. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, any doubt?
This case in repetition, replacement is